everybody. Hi, welcome. So happy you are here. I'm Laura. If you're new to my channel, if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do have some furry sidekicks that like to hang out with me because they love to hang out with me, number one. They're always nearby. They hang out with me all the time. However, they always know at the end of these videos there is treats. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. Xena is the brown puppy dog. And we do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls of the day, and I try to mix it up with some other fun things, so I'd love if you would hit that subscribe and hang out with us for the long haul. For today, I am talking about EBY. So I'm doing a special video on a Thursday, which I typically do not post on Thursdays, but EBY had reached out to me and wanted me to do a post for them this week to help get the word out for International Women's Month. As we all know, that is March. And talk a little bit about their purpose. And I am doing this as a follow-up because I did do a live last month, which thank you to all of you who joined me. It was so much fun. It was my very first one. And I thank EBY for pushing me out of my comfort zone and getting me to finally do that. I will do another one, don't worry. But I wanted to do a follow-up to that anyway because I wanted to show you the tanks, and I have one on right now in my actual size because the one I had on during that live was a size medium, and I knew that my typical size is a small, so I wanted you to see how that actually looks in my real size, what I should be wearing, and talk a little bit about those. And also talk a little bit about their purpose, show you some of their fun things, and just circle back on some of the things that I had talked about during that live in case anyone didn't get a chance to catch it. So EBY stands for Empowered by You. It was set up as an organization to help empower women. So it's all about giving back to women by providing loans to help women get out of poverty. So these are women in countries who are not able to get loans the traditional way, right? So allow them to actually start their own businesses and get them out of poverty. In 2020 alone, EBY was able to impact 7,530 women and children and actually get them out of poverty by providing loans to women and get them get them to be able to start their own businesses. And the way they do that is 10% of their proceeds, so not of their profits. So pay attention, 10% of their proceeds go to empower women out of poverty, 10%. So it's amazing of everything that 10% of everything they sell. So I love their products. I've been working with them for quite some time now. I wear their products. I love their products. I am so happy to be partnered with them and be able to even share these products on my channel with you. All right, so let's talk. Of course, I do have a discount code for you if you would like to purchase any of their products, and I'll have all that information down for you, below for you as well. All right. So as I mentioned, I'm loving their seamless tanks. I think during my live I had a black one on. Now I have the Fallen Rock color on. So I love this color for underneath sheer things or like white. Today I was wearing this white sweater. So I love wearing these colors underneath things like that are holey, and they fit amazing. They're completely seamless. And underneath it, I actually have on the Fallen Rock bralette as well. So perfect match. I love it. They line up so well. This one has the V underneath it, so it lines up. And these tanks are fabulous because you can either wear the V in the front or you can wear the scoop in the front. So here's the white version. So you can see the V, or you can wear the scoop. Either way. I love that. They feel amazing on. They look perfect, I think, on their own, or they look nice underneath things. And I'm going to stand up and show you this so you can kind of see what they look like. So see how they stretch out to be much longer. I just have jeans on today. But you can scrunch them up and wear them by themselves, or you can wear them underneath things. So hopefully you guys are getting a good look at what this looks like. It's so nice and seamless. And you can see that the bralette I have underneath it, seamless as well, right? Such a nice product. And that's what all of their products are about. It's all about seamless panties, seamless bralettes, seamless tanks, and they're amazing. They have a panty subscription as well. So for, I believe it is, let me get the right price for you, $39. Let's see. $39, you get 3 panties every 3 months. So not bad. You refresh your panties, 3 pair every 3 months. And they have thongs, cheekies, bikinis, briefs, high waist, and a high waist thong. All different kinds. And I have some I can share with you. Their underwear is amazing. It is seamless. And it has like a little no-slip grippers inside here that once you get them where you want them, they just stay right in place. They have all kinds of colors, patterns. They swap them up all the time. So you can check all of those out. Here's a few I can share with you. How cute are these? They have some sexy ones. If you want to do that, check out these mesh. How cute are those, right? Check out the high waist. Here's another thong in white, match my white tank. Here's the Fallen Rock version from what I have on. See, everything matches. All 3, right? I had to show you these. Here's and then here's the black. I have other patterns and colors, but they're probably in the dirty wash. So these are the ones I have to share with you. They all have that grippers. You can see that. Love. Okay, and then I do just absolutely love their bralettes. So the bralettes come in patterns as well. I love them all. I love the neutrals I tend to go to. They have the thin strap or the thick strap. So here's the thin strap version. This one's a thick strap version. They're so comfortable. Wear them all day, wear them to bed, wear them for all the things. Either way, either version, comfortable as you can begin to imagine. This one has the mesh in the back, little EBY emblem there. They do have the cups that come out, you can wash, and it's just enough coverage to be perfection. Love them. The bralettes are $45 to $48. If you're a member, meaning you do that panty subscription, you do get a break on all of your pricing. So keep that in mind. It drops down a few dollars on all your pricing. The seamless tanks are $48, and the panties are $15 to $22. And of course, you will get a discount if you're a member, as I said. Let's see. What didn't I share with you? My discount. If you want to purchase anything, it is Laura 15 for 15% off, and that should be good until May 9th. So Laura 15, and you'll get 15% off anything on the site. So in love with these products. They are trying to, for 2022, they have a lofty goal. So they are trying to empower over 40,000 women out of poverty, women and children out of poverty in 2022, 40,000. So they need all the help they can get to that goal. I know I'll be wearing all the products. I love them. You'll probably be hearing me talk about it. I think I mentioned it in this past week's Outfit of the Day because I wear the products. I love them. So I do mention them when I have them on, but they are fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Like I said, I fully endorse them and love them. I'm loving these tanks. If you do need tanks to wear underneath things, these are good ones to grab. And I love that they are reversible. All right. I hope you liked this. I hope you liked hearing about EBY. It is an amazing cause. It was started by Renata Black and Sofia Vergara. because they knew that by starting a charity, it was not going to be sustainable. So they actually started this company to help be able to continuously come up with an influx of money to be able to provide, to support their initiative, right? To be able to continuously be able to provide 10% of their funds to be able to empower women. So I love it. I think it's an amazing way to be able to continue on this work. Thank you so much for spending time with me today on a Thursday. I hope you enjoyed it. Loving this fallen rock color. This will be perfect for underneath any of your clothing, or perfect on it all by itself and for underneath a cute jacket, right? We've got lots of jackets or cardies. But let me know what you think. I can't wait to hear what you thought about these products, this particular topic. So please do share down below. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the items, and hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.